Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how to analyze your fund's performance with the benchmark you set in the Fund and Benchmark Analysis Google Sheets template. You can choose a company, a mutual fund, or an exchange rate to compare the earnings of this benchmark to your funds. In this sheet you will find company tickers to help you to understand and see the tickers of the companies. So let's start. Write down the ticker of the company that you would like to use as benchmark. Let's say Microsoft. Once you press enter, the Google Finance data will bring it automatically. You will see the open, high, low, close, and the volume attributes in this section. You can define the dates by choosing the start date and the end date to limit or to expand the historical stock prices data. You can have your interval either daily or weekly. Once you set the parameters, the graphics in this section will be adjusted accordingly. You can also use mutual funds tickers to see the performance. So let's say once you enter the ticker of the mutual fund, you will be able to see the performance of that fund. Sometimes Google Finance may not be able to find data for all attributes. If you would like to look up for a specific date, let's say that we're looking for the February 4th and between February 26th, you can have a date analysis in this section. It is going to tell you your fund's cumulative interest, the change in benchmark, the daily average fund rate, and the yearly fund rate. Also, it is going to show you the index between the beginning date and the end date, the index change between these indexes, the total earnings of these funds, and the daily average earnings of your funds. If you're also working with the currency exchange rates, you can see a simple trend line in this section. All you have to do is write down your base currency in here and write down the start date and the end date. Once you do these, it will automatically calculate the date difference between these two. So once you wrote down your base currency in here, write down the compared currency in this section. So let's say that we would like to see the trend of US dollar to Japanese yen. All you have to do is write down the ticker of the exchange rate, and once you press enter, you will be able to see the trend in this section, and also the symbol will be shown here automatically. I hope this video was helpful enough to analyze your fund's performance to a benchmark you set. So if you like this video, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.